Hey everyone, if you're looking to replace your Volkswagen Key Fob battery and your key looks like this, remove the physical key from the top and then stick it back in right past this seam here. And you can see it shine through the crack and leverage it upwards to pop the panel off. Then just remove this cover, and inside you can see the battery number here that you will need to buy, and also on top of your old battery. And then taking anything small like a little flathead, I'm just using a pen, just push it to the right and up and your battery should come out. And to replace it, just slide it back in this way, push to the right, and then pop the cover back on and stick your key back in. That's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching.